You can do it! Welcome to the PNC Painless Computer. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe and the like button. Hey, so what are we jumping into today? So today we're going to go over what is the formula for subtracting. So I got my Google Sheets pulled up over here. And I want to find out my profit. So I have my earnings and my expenses. So I'm going to subtract that and see what is actually my profit that I'm making off of my cookie business I'm doing here. Alright, just to let you know, my cookies really don't turn out very good, so good thing this isn't a real business here. Anyways, so you hit the equal sign, then you're going to go F2 because the column that we're wanting in the row is F2. Then you're going to hit the minus sign, and then we're going to want column H and row 2. So put H2 in and cross our fingers that 360 minus 120 should equal 240. If not, we didn't do it right. Alright, let's click over here. Boom! We did it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this row and see this little blue dot right here. I'm going to left click, hold it all the way down, let go. Alright, and that is the total off of each orders of my profit. Now I want an overall total. And remember in a previous video, how we do that is we're just going to highlight all the cells. And then you're going to go over to these three dots and that cricket looking M, that's the function button. You're going to hit that and then hit sum. Let's click off of it. Alright, so my total profit is 1,560 buckaroos. Awesome. Alright, so that was pretty simple, guys. Like I said, I keep it short and sweet so you can go on and do your business. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. We will be posting a new video every Saturday. Yep. See you then. Thanks, guys.